Sasha in the back.
So listen, if you're having a good time, we're celebrating this beautiful culture of ours. Tolomai. So listen, it's a beautiful day, so we're gonna do something like this. All right. You're my empress. If you're a beautiful Taylor, let me do this to you. There goes my baby. There goes my everything is mine for me. There goes my baby. She gon' be the one. He gon' fall in love and gonna have my baby. All our Polynesian people in the house. Shout out to the Samoan culture, the Tonga people. All my Micronesians and Melanesians in the house tonight. We're gonna do something like this. So we started off a little bumpy, but we're gonna pick it right up. Listen. I'm not looking for no lover, but I am looking for love. I'm just trying to find me another girl, a girl that I can continue to be. So listen to me now. She's got to have she's got to be walks with love, with a good head on his shoulders. She keeps it real. She knows how to. Oh baby, can you tell me if it's you? I'm looking for a girl who will ride with me, take a trip to the sky with me, always right behind me, never ever tell a lie to me, put a smile on my face with a single kiss. Oh baby, can you tell me if it's you? Oh baby, can you tell me if it's you? I'm not looking for no lover, but for someone to be there for me, someone to hold my hand and talk to me, someone to be my one and only. So listen to me now. She listens to my troubles. She conversates with me. She loves me throughout the times. She loves me when she hates me. She's always there for me when I need her. Oh baby, can you tell me if it's you? Oh, Pastor, can you tell me if it's you? I'm looking for a girl who will ride with me, take a trip to the sky with me, always right behind me, never ever tell a lie to me, put a smile on my face with a single kiss. Oh baby, can you tell me if it's you? Oh, Pastor, can I see your hands one more time? I'm looking for a girl. I'm looking for a girl who will be me, always right behind me, always right behind me, never tell a lie to me. She puts a smile on my face with a single kiss. Oh baby, can you tell me if it's you? Oh baby, can you tell me if it's you? Make some noise for the band, y'all. If you love reggae, say yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't be shy now. I want to see the look of how they shoot. Say if you love reggae, throw your hands up in the air. Say yeah, yeah. Say yeah, yeah, yeah. Say yeah. All I need in this world is my music, baby. Yeah, come on, baby. Feel the reggae pumping through my veins, baby. somebody, let somebody go now. California, what you say? Let somebody go to the close of the day. Let somebody go now. And they'll say, yeah, I said, oh. If you're doing a good time, I can't make you noise, y'all. All our parents in the back, check your levels. Left side, we go good. If you not know the song, join me when I was going through my time. See, I've been caught up at the bar. Drinking away all my pain. I feel like I done lost it now. I feel like I can't even maintain. Got the world and the weight on my shoulders. Feels like everything keeps getting worse. Seems like the last couple of years I've been living life with a curse. Lord have mercy on my soul. Tell me how can I live happily with all this happening? I just can't trust another. It happens after another. I live happily with all this happening. I just can't trust another. It happens after another. Drinking all my troubles and regrets, wasting my time. Can somebody tell me what is this? Seems like the only thing to do is to follow my feelings, which is found at the bottom of a bottle. See, I'm a little drunk. What you say? I'm a little tipsy. Drinking at the top of my lungs, but for some reason nobody can hear me. So here I stand all alone, nowhere to call my home. I'm trying to hold it down, but somebody tell me how can I live happily with all this happening? I just can't trust another. Why you gotta do that, girl? Why you gotta do that, girl? You breaking my heart. You tearing me apart. Why you gotta do that, girl? Why you gotta do that, girl? Listen, so many nights I tried calling you on your phone, but you just ain't trying to see. So I made my way to your. Let's start, let me see. You do it like this. Check 1, 2. I wake up in the morning, get the beautiful sky and a beautiful woman by my side. She looks so fine, I bless her with a perfect smile. Has my days up every night, looking in each other's eyes. Time flies by, and it's gonna be no matter. California, make some noise for the beautiful family one more time. Make some noise one more time for the beautiful Sally. All right. So much is going on. Beautiful dancers. I'm addicted to your loving. But if you should know how my love goes, then Carson, California, please stay good. Help me sing the chorus one time. Don't let go. Hold on to me, baby. I said everything will be just fine as long as you stay by my side and don't let go. Take my hand and don't let go. I'm addicted to your loving. But if you knew how my love goes, then baby please stay close. Yeah, you won't ever have to cry. So I can see from your eyes. As long as you're by my side, you can see everything will be fine. As long as you know what you say. Baby, don't let go. Hold on to me, baby. I said everything will be just fine as long as you and don't let go. Take my hand and follow me. I'll take you down the path so you can. Hold on, pull it. Listen, the words are powerful, yo. I want to talk to the ladies. 21 and up. 21 and up. Take my hand and follow me. I'll take it down the path so you can see of what this truly means. You are my queen. I'm down on my knees. Said I'm down on my knees, down and I'm begging you, please. Man, you guys don't know how much that was. I'm here to serve you, my dear love. Anything you ask for, baby, is done. And then I'll cater to